In this video, I give you a basic overview of Filmora video editing software. At first, I just open this. Once you open this app, you will see few different options. Here you see a ratio 16:9 and 4:3. I recommend you to choose 16:9 ratio because maximum Android and Apple devices and DSLRs are recording in this ratio. And secondly, we see few different editing mode: easy mode, instant cutter, action cam tool, and full feature mode. Easy mode is a great way to create videos in 3 steps with ready-to-use themes. If you want to cut and delete few portions of the video, then choose instant and cutter. But in this course, I work with full feature mode. That's why I choose full feature mode. Once you open this first, you will see 3 sections in the interface. This is our main navigation, this is the timeline, and this is the video playback. Let's start the media in main navigation. Under media, we import our media files. Media files means you can import video, audio, etc. in this place. Simply click here, choose any video or photo, and simply open this. Alright, if you want to organize this media file, you can do this as well. Simply click on this plus icon to add new folder, then simply type any name you want and then hit enter, then choose your particular folder and import media files on this folder. Alright, also using Filmora, we can record video using webcam. Also, we can record PC screen, and also we are able to record voiceover using Filmora. In music tab, here you see some royalty-free musics right here. You can use any of them in your video. On the left side, we can browse category-wise musics. In text tab, here you see different stylish text we can add in our video. Different type of transactions also available in this Filmora video editing software. Some amazing filters also available here. Overlays, elements, split screen, and finally here you see export button to get our final edited video. And this is our timeline. To activate this timeline, from media, simply click on this plus icon. We successfully add media in our timeline, and here you see the preview, right? In timeline, we also can add different type of filters, overlays, background music, etc. By clicking on this volume icon, you can change the volume of your video. By clicking on this capture icon, you can capture a screenshot from video, and to add voiceover, this is our record voiceover button. By increasing, decreasing this value of the slider, you can zoom in and zoom out your timeline. By clicking on this audio mixer, you can customize your audio. If you want to fit everything in timeline, then simply click on Fit to Timeline button. By clicking on this plus and minus icon, you can zoom in or zoom out the timeline. Currently, we select dark theme of Filmora. If you want to change this theme, simply click on this light scheme. This is our light theme. If you want to navigate to the dark, simply click on dark scheme. And the great feature in Filmora is they have effect store. To access this, simply click on this More Effects. And this is Filmora Effects Store. You can purchase different types of effect if you want. Alright, and here you see few different icons. You can edit, cut, delete, crop, add effect, and color correction using this tool. We cover everything of this Filmora video editing software, so don't worry about that. And this is the basic software interface overview of Filmora. Thank you so much for watching.